Alright guys, we're here at FTW. We're going to be doing the dyno run for the Mustang. You said it's been overheating a little bit?
Yeah, it just gets warm if you beat on it for a while or just drive it. It was fine on the drive over here.
It was? Okay, sweet.
90, but once you get into boost and start beating on it, the crappy radiator has to keep up. So.
Okay. Well, I think it'll be fine, right, for the dyno run?
I figure we'll just... I left the fan on right now, so we'll let it cool down when we talk to him and get set up.
Okay.
Hopefully it's all right.
Cool. Let's go inside.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we made it back. Matt, what'd you think?
Yeah, we made it back to the dyno. Numbers were pretty good. At least I feel like they were for 7 pounds. And our wrecking yard motor. Nothing blew up. It does smoke on D-cell. And I'm guessing that's because it needs a catch can or some kind of evac system. Yeah, so we're gonna leave it at 7 pounds for right now and take it to the track and see what it'll do in a quarter mile. I'm hoping it does pretty good, and then after that we'll turn it up to at least 10 and
shoot for 5.
That should be 500 to the ground, I would think.
Oh yeah, I would think so.
So
3 more pounds.
Yeah, I don't know. There's not much I'm going to change on it from the next time I take it to the track, I don't think. Pretty much just how it sits and how it's been.
Oh, you want to give them a real quick recap for people that are new? What it is, what motor's in there, just so people know.
Yeah, so it's just a Lincoln Mark 8 motor. We pulled it out of an old car that was going to the scrapyard. We got a billet wheel 78, 75 eBay turbo. We made the headers, we made the intercooler piping and all that. VS Racing wastegate and blow off valve, and just a 7-pound. Actually, I think it's got 11 pounds of spring in it, but
yeah,
it
came out to be, well, 7.9.
Yeah, it did make 7.9 on the
yeah.
dyno on one pull. So yeah, it's pretty basic. Other than that, nothing's done to the engine. Got
and
UV
it's a
clutch,
200,000 mile engine.
Yeah, 200,000 miles on the engine. Stock transmission. It's got 373 gears now, and then BC coilovers on it, and then Mickey Thompson drag radials all the way around. So yeah, seems to work.
I think we're gonna maybe not put her to bed. We'll be back, but the plan is to, on the next video.
Yeah, on the next video we're going to introduce some of the new projects we got, and I think we'll put a teaser out on Instagram of what they are.
Yeah.
So try to guess what they are.
Make sure you guys follow us over at MA Builds. We're terrible at posting on there, but we're gonna get better. Yeah, at least we'll try to post at least right before we post the video and kind of give you guys a heads up. That way you guys know, hey, we posted on here. There's gonna be something out soon on YouTube. And I think the video we're shooting for, where we unveil both our cars, we both bought our dream cars. They're kind of a nightmare, but
yeah, they're not perfect.
Yeah, by any means. But we did get them, so that'll be our next project. So we'll see you guys on the next one.